National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Montague County in north central Texas until 7 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 14 miles west of Nakona, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Nakona around 6:20 p.m., St. Joe around 6:45 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for north central Texas. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Rudd County in southern Oklahoma until 7 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located 8 miles west